stew Omi Obe. Obiata. What do you call this in your language? Let me see that in the comment section. Lovely, I brought you this super delicious stew Omi Obe. You are going to love this. This is super stress-free and super quick and came out super delicious. Everything about this soup, this stew, is called super. I will call it super. Let us get it started. What I have here are the assorted meats I'll be using for cooking this stew. We all prepare this together. If you haven't seen how we prepare this, I'm going to leave it in the comment section. And that's the pepper mix we'll be using. We also prepared it together. If you haven't seen our cook marks, try and watch it. But I will leave it in the comment section. In the pot, I'm just going to put the meat direct into it. If you remember how well we wash this meat, we don't need to even allow it to defrost before we start preparing it. Into it, I'm just going to add the ingredients you can see on the screen: onions, rosemary, thyme, curry, garlic, oregano, and white peppers. Feel free to add ginger into it, but we won't be adding it because we have it already in the pepper mix. Make sure you watch the pepper mix video, you will not regret it. I've just added salt and I'm adding seasoning now into it. And I've added some water, not that much, just a bit of water. And after that, I cover and cook for about 15 minutes. Let's check the meat. Wow, delicious aroma is what's filled up this kitchen. I'm just going to use the spatula to move it around a bit, and I will add more water and then cover and cook till done. I'll be opening it and be stirring occasionally. So lovely, at this stage the meats are tender. It is super okay. So all I need to do now is to continue cooking. In another pot, I have vegetable oil there. I added sliced onion into it. I'm just going to fry for about a minute or two in the oil, and I'm going to add the super pepper mix. If you haven't watched how we prepare this pepper mix, it is a must watch for everyone. This is loaded. I've just added meat stock into it. That's the water we use for boiling the meat. I took part of it, and I'm going to add this tomato puree into it. It's just like tomato paste, like tin tomato. Yes, Derica, what we call it. Add some into it. Now it's time to add seasoning. I'm going to add some salt, and after that I'll add a little bit more pepper. You know, I love my stew spicy, so I'm just going to give them a good mix together. You all remember that the pepper mix is done already, so I'm just going to add the boiled meat into it now for them all to cook together, and then they will become one. Have you shared the video? If you haven't, please place your hand on the share button and share the video. So I'm just going to cover them and allow them to cook. Lovely, this has been cooking for about 10 to 15 minutes. You all knew that the pepper mix is done already. I only boiled them all together to become one. I meant the sauce and those meats to become one. Yes, lovelies, I'm introducing this super delicious pepper stew recipe. This is the easiest way to make your cooking a very stress-free one. Thank you so much for watching.